Hello, my name is Chef Sumit Pant, and with me you're going to make today a classical French omelette. Now there's some rules and regulation to make a French omelette. The temperature of the pan is very important. There should be no color in a French omelette, and when you cut a French omelette, it should be runny inside. It should be juicy from inside. So I'm making today a 3-egg French omelette in which I'm going to add some cream, which is very important, which is also different than the regular omelettes that we make at home, and I'm adding some white pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm going to whisk it nice with the help of a fork. Okay, once this has been mixed completely, I'm using olive oil. I can make this only in olive oil, or I can make this in a combination of oil and butter. Now the temperature of pan is very important. If your pan is cold, you're going to have trouble making the French omelette, and if the pan is too hot, you're going to end up making a colored omelette, which is not a French omelette. The folding also is very important in making a French omelette, and the temperature. The temperature should be between 65 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. That is when the egg white and the egg yolk sets, usually around 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. So my oil is hot. I'm going to add a little bit of butter into it. You can see the butter is sizzling already. That is the indication that the pan is hot enough. And I'm adding the egg. If this has to be an Indian omelette, I would have left it like this, but this is a French omelette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the egg so the eggs cooks evenly and faster. I'm going to make it a folded French omelette, and color, like I told you, is very important. Once you feel that the liquid has settled down, we can start to fold it. This is still carries a little bit of liquid, so I'll wait till it becomes a little more dry. Now you can see, if you can see now, I'll start to fold this egg. You can fold it 2-fold, 3-fold, whatever you wish to. I have given 3 folds to it, and the omelette is ready. I'm going to take it out. There are some classical accompaniments for the omelette, which could be a hash brown potato, which we have prepared earlier, some toasted bread, a grilled tomato, and a chicken sausage. You can see this is very fluffy. There is runny egg inside. My plate is ready with the grilled tomato, chicken sausage, hash brown potato, and bread. I'm going to place the French omelette into it, and we are good to go. The classical French omelette.